Exercise number 7, microprocessor based traffic light system. Here we are using 8086 microprocessor and interfacing circuits, and also 12 electrics, bulbs, traffic light boards. Now we control a traffic light system using 8086 microprocessor. Here we need some apparatus. So first one is a traffic light control system. Second, interface board. Third one, 8086 microprocessor. Initially switch on the microprocessor, then initialize the starting address. This is the program. Starting address 1100 and mnemonics move space bx comma 1200. Next address 1103, mnemonics move cx comma 008. Next address 1106, move al comma bx. Next address 1108, move df comma ff26. Next address 110b, out space dx comma al. Next address 110c, inc space bx. Next address 110d, mnemonics move space al comma bx. Next address 110f, mnemonics move space dx comma ff20. Next address 1112, mnemonics out space dx comma al. Address 1113, mnemonics inc space bx. Address 1114, mnemonics move space al comma bx. Address 1116, mnemonics move space dx comma ff22. Next address 1119, mnemonics out space dx comma al. Address 111a, mnemonics call space 1122. Address 111d, inc space dx. 111e, 110d, 1120, JMP space 1100, 1122, PUSH space CX, 1123, move space CX comma 0005, 1126, move space DX comma FFFF, 1129, DC space DX. Next address 112A, mnemonics JNZ space 1129. Next address 112C, loop space 1126. Next address 112E, POP space CX. Next address 112F, RET. Okay, is the end of the program. Then giving Next order address is 1200 is giving. So traffic light inputs. So 1200. So corresponding numerics. The input is 83 space 80. Okay. Then 0021. Then DF09. Then 4010. Then BF00. Then 10. Then 7509. Then 00 space 80. AF00. 4264. DF08. 7800. FF04. 1024. A003. 0002. 7600. Next address 121186. So final 1212 is FD. Okay. Then type the program in 8086 microprocessor. Then finally execute the program. Give A. So starting address 1100. So move BX comma 1200. Next address 1103. Move space CX comma 0008. Then next address 1108. Next address 110B. Next address 110C. INC space BX. Next address 110D. Move space AL comma BX. Next address 110F. Move space DX comma FF20. Next address 1112. Out space DX comma AL. Next address 1114. Move space AL comma BX. Next address 1116. Move space DX comma FF22. Next address 1119. Numerics out space DX comma AL. Next address 111A space con space 1122. Next address 111D. Numerics INC space BX. Next address 111E. JNZ space 110D. Next address 1120. Numerics JMP space 1100. Next address 1122. PUSH space CX. Next address 1123. Numerics move space CX comma 0005. Next address 1126. Move space DX comma FFFF. Next address 1129. DEC space DX. Next address 112C. Loop space 1126. Next address 112E. POP space CX. Next address 1112F. RET. Okay. Then close the program. Then giving M 1200. Okay. The input is 83 space 80. Next 1202 address DF space 09. Next 1203 40 space 10. Next 1204 BF space 00. Next 1205 10. Next 1206 75 space 09, next to 1207 00 space 80, next to 1208 AF space 00, next to 1209 42 space 64, next to 120A DF space 08, next to 120B 78 space 00, next to 120C FF space 04, next to 120D 10 space 24, 120E address A003, next give value up to 1212 address, so finally FD. Next check the program, so input D, okay, starting address 1100, okay, check the address from starting to end. Now we are checking the typing address and numerics.
Check the every steps.
So check the input parameters. Then execute the program G in starting address 1100. Then execute. After executing the program, the traffic light is blinking. Okay, that's all.